This video will learn about the variable arguments. What is variable arguments in Java? Java's argument allow method to accept any number of arguments declared using an ellipsis of argument. Example void method in triple dot and nums. The internal handling treated as an array. Example like in triple dot nums is int equal braces and nums. Placement must be the last in the method's parameter, and user is calling with varying argument count. Example method 1, comma 2 or method with no parameters. It is introduced in Java file. Let us and create some program so that we can give the brief about it. Now we create a class naming where variable args example. So in this class, we will create a void main. We also create a static method public static void add, and here we write int. Here we take integer elements. Mm. And in this we will take int sum equal to 0 for I. Sorry, we will take for each int I belongs to A, then we will A belongs to E, then sum plus equal to I, and we will return. Since it is a void method, we will convert it into int and return s. Now we will call this method by various number of arguments, like we will call for two arguments add. First we will call for null, no argument, then we will call for different number of arguments, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here we have 4 comma 6. We will test, and we are getting our output. In this way the variable arg method is created and it performs. It produces the similar type of code, like if we want to add different number of parameters, then we use the variable argument methods. Thank you.